I have a brand new camera, 6400 from Sony. Why 6400? Well, I wanted to buy a full frame, but full frame is so expensive. Okay, so let's see the specs. This is a Boodle kit with a 16 by 50 lens, light 3.5. So it's not very bright, but what can I say? It is what it is. Accessories. Has the whole thing. It's not a full frame, but it's recording in 4K and should be way better than the smartphone footage. It has the ISA award for 2019 and 20. Very nice. Bam! Okay, so what's inside? Come on. You have to understand, I'm doing this. I have my hands behind the camera, so it's not that simple. Ooh, I have 1 year extended warranty. Why not? Why not? Let me pause the video because I don't want to share any secret codes. Okay, so there are no secret codes here. There's also extended warranty and manual. We'll plug it and put it aside. Okay, let's what's in here. A huge manual, huge one. Look at it, look at it. Oh, a lot of stickers and huge manual. Look how thick this is. This is a serious book, my friend. Serious book. Okay, put it aside. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, UK, European power. Okay. What else we have here? My friend, battery. Standard battery. You know what it is. What is it? Oh, some kind of. Okay, so it's a charger. Let me just take it. This is a charger. Yes, yes. USB power. Okay, okay, okay. What else do we have in the box? Okay, for viewfinder. What are secrets? What are the secrets? USB cable, and of course this abstraction. I don't know how you call this in English. My English is not that great. You have to understand. Okay, that's it for the accessories. Now the camera itself. Nothing else in the box. Okay, so the lens is already installed. Okay, okay. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Okay, okay. That's the lens. There it is. Oh, camera focus, please. That's why I don't like recording with smartphones. They're always losing focus. And this camera has a tremendous autofocus. Tremendous one. You have a lot of buttons, menu, FN, start, stop, on the screen. Let me just. Okay, okay, like that, and especially that's what I need. Like that. I have to see myself when I recording something. This is excellent, my friend. Very smooth. Let me just skip out the focus. Okay. Very smooth. Okay, so that's the lens. Shiny. Okay, let's put it back. Okay. So let me just place this screen back. What else we have here? Okay, so USB sockets and headphone. This is for the microphone, yes, I think, yeah. This is for the mic. And on the other side, for battery. Okay, let me hit menu. This is the menu. And like you can see, it's a separate menu for the photos. Quality, image size. Let's go the quality. JPEG all the way to 20. And 16 by 9 or 3.2 and 1.1. There's all kinds of different settings. Of course, I will not show everything because this video will be extremely long. Of course, for video, it's HD, HD and 4K. I use 4K, and all the way to 30p 100. Max, come on, camera, focus, please. Now the screen goes all the way in here. The build quality is really good. I don't like those. It's making a lot of noise. I don't like them. Anyway, there's a tape. You don't want to break it. Okay, what about the viewfinder? Can I show you the viewfinder? Can you see it? See? Come on, it's not that easy. See, it is a very nice viewfinder. Anyway, you can compare it to smartphones. The audio is internal. I have the Rode microphone on, but I didn't turn it on yet. So let's run a little bit. Oh, very shaky. To understand, this is the KitKat lens, 16 by 50. It's not that great. It's the river. Let's make a zoom. $25, $32, $50. Everything is set to automatic. Now let's do this with electronic knob on the lens, all the way to 16. Let's go back. 40, 55, 50. Okay, maximum. I try to be not shaky. I'm holding the camera with my hand. Okay, now I will plug in the internal, not internal, external microphone, which is Rode Pro Plus. I can just go with the cable. Okay, now the microphone is turned on, and like you can hear, it's a little bit better. Now I will press the wind noise cancellation all the way to 150. How does it sound now? Any good? Okay. Okay. It is really good that I can see myself. Okay. How can you hear me? It's an internal microphone. Is the exposure pretty good? Okay, I'm going to the store, buy some shit. So what's the conclusion? Well, the battery life is not that great. There is no built-in stabilization. There's a stabilization in the lens, but this is a bottle lens, and I think with the G lens it will look a bit better. Build quality is awesome. It has a nice viewfinder and nice screen, so then you can flip up. That's a very nice feature. Built-in audio quality is really good. There is a new model 6600 with a bigger battery and built-in stabilization, but it costs about 40%. It depends on the country, maybe sometimes 50% more than this camera. So this is $1,000, and the newer model 6600 is 150, 1,500. Or maybe sometimes well, I found on Amazon for $1,649 Sony 6600 with 2 lenses, light, 2 batteries, bag, and I will put the link in the description. It's a good deal. But if I have $1,600, I think I will go for the full frame. And there you have it. For $1,000, it's a great camera. It has an award, so it must be good. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.